So today the external security, the first thing is two-step verification. When we try logging into any of the Salesforce application, first thing is you will get a verification code and you have to log in. And the next one comes here is we have to go to setup to configure the external security. Setup. Once clicking on the setup, you will be redirected to here. You have to first thing is verification, it's done, and the second is activation, where we are controlling or avoiding the unnecessary logins from different mobiles or different equipments or different places. So we can go here and check for what all the logins like IP addresses which have been already logged in. So by this we can able to try restricting. So I don't want these two IP addresses to login, so I can do this and remove it. Okay, then it will be removed. It's done. So the third is this one, expire all password. So whenever a security breach or something happens, so at that time, like one of the person in the same organization has taken all the passwords from everyone, and he has doing to uh, trying to do some malfunctions. At that time what we are doing is we have to immediately take action to expire all the passwords and stop them from logging in, so that again two-step verification should be followed. At that point you should again from setup in the finding, you have to go for expire all passwords. See here, expire all passwords.